Hey, welcome Amazon sellers to this particular video. Now this video I'm making on demand. I have received so many requests to clarify about the whole process of dropshipping on Amazon. I receive a lot of suspensions on daily basis. A lot of sellers contact me to get the plan of action done because they get suspended and they are the dropshipping sellers and everything. Many sellers have even claimed that Amazon does not like dropshipping sellers to be on the platform. So I want to debunk every myth regarding dropshipping on Amazon. Dropshipping on Amazon is a profitable business if you know how to do this correctly. And I'm making this video as a video series. It's not only one video today. I'll cover the entire aspect of dropshipping on Amazon, which is applicable to all marketplaces, whether you are based in US, UK, India, Canada, wherever you're based in. This knowledge what you get from this particular video series is applicable across the world. So in case you are totally new to Amazon, in case you are planning to start your Amazon journey as a dropshipper, in case you're already a dropshipper, this entire series on dropshipping on Amazon is going to help you immensely. So I want you to pay attention and I want you to engage with me. Now how will you engage with me? All you need to do is below this particular YouTube video, please type your question. Just use the hashtag dropship on Amazon and then your question. So I'll just filter it out, all these comments, all these questions, and I'll cover all your questions in the upcoming videos which are going to make on dropshipping on Amazon. So let's get started with this unique formula, unique concept of dropshipping on Amazon and how to do this correctly. So in this part 1 today, in this video today, I'm going to cover up basically 4 broader concepts. I want to talk about what dropshipping exactly is. In case you are totally unaware of this concept that okay, there's Amazon you know, but you don't know the dropshipping world, or you are doing dropshipping but not on Amazon or whatever. So I'll just cover the basics of dropshipping. I'll also cover the Amazon policy related dropshipping. The problem why sellers get suspended on Amazon because they don't even know about this policy. They have never read this policy. What they have only done is they have connected with somebody on this planet who suggested them, okay, start your business on Amazon as a dropshipper. Choose this as a supplier. The moment they do so, they lose money, they lose the business. There are people who are teaching the wrong methods of dropshipping on Amazon. They're taking hefty fees from people. They are, getting paid for all these things, but the knowledge what they're imparting, unfortunately, is not healthy. It's a knowledge which is damaging their business. So my only and only intention is to help you and get better with the business. So what is dropshipping? The policy at Amazon, why you should choose Amazon as the platform for dropshipping. Yes, there are many platforms for dropshipping. You can have your own Shopify website, you can have your own WordPress website, you can have other platforms which are offering you, but I want you to include Amazon as one of your dropshipping channels. And in fact, if you do so correctly, it can amount to 50 to 70% of your total revenue for the month. So it has a huge potential. We'll talk about this also. And why you should say no to big suppliers like Walmart and Home Depot. The major damage which a lot of course creators and YouTubers have done to Amazon sellers is suggesting biggies like Walmart and Home Depot as the dropshipping suppliers. Okay, so this is what I'm going to cover in part 1. Whatever you want me to cover in part 2, additionally what I'm going to do other than that, please put all your questions below this video. Give a hashtag dropship on Amazon and then your questions so that I know. In case you want to send me questions on my Twitter handle, just go to follow Rachat. It's my Twitter handle. You can leave your question there. In case you want to follow me on Insta, again follow Rachat is my Insta ID. You can simply go there and use the hashtag dropship on Amazon and your question to me. I'll pick all your questions and include in this particular video series which I'm going to create on YouTube, and today is the part 1 for that. But before that, in case you are totally new to the e-commerce business, just allow me few seconds to explain you the benefits of e-commerce business. It's a home-based business. Don't need to step out of the home. You can do this business from your home. It can be an everlasting source of income. You can also create multiple sources, because once you know the system, you can always expand to many other platforms. It's 100% scalable. You decide the scale. Huge opportunity. You can sell whatever you want to sell. With dropshipping, you started almost at zero investment or very, very low investment. You start this business. It's not even technical. Leave that myth. It's not technical, and it can be done by anyone. You're a homemaker, woman, self-employed, student, retiree, anybody selling material offline or whatever. You can do this business. Okay, so what is dropshipping in generic? Dropshipping is a great cost-effective way for new entrepreneurs to start an e-commerce business. It allows an entrepreneur to sell products online without having to carry inventory or ship out products, making it a low-risk business model. So dropshipping is simply a business model which allows you to sell products on any e-commerce website like Amazon without any kind of inventory. You don't have to buy any product. You don't have to stack anything at your home or your shop or your warehouse, but you'll be able to generate sales and get regular income by this business. So let me show you a simple image giving you the whole process, that how dropshipping works. There's an Amazon customer. Now this image has been taken from Google. It's a random image. It's not depicting exactly Amazon. It's like Iconic Pet, I believe, is the owner of this image. But whatever the case is, it is helping me to explain you the concept. So there's an Amazon customer, or there's a customer which places an order on your marketplace. In this case, it's Amazon, and pays you the money. You means Amazon platform captures that money online. Okay, fine. It's a $20 product or a $40 product. So customer chooses this product, pays $40 to Amazon, and Amazon passes on this order to you. Okay, fine, you have listed this product, please dispatch. Now you are the reseller of this product. What you're going to do is, you have listed this product at $40. Behind you there is a supplier of this product, because you are not having any inventory, you're not having any product. The supplier of the product is selling you this product at $25 or $30 or $28 or whatever the price is. For example, in this case, $25 is the cost of this product. So what you are going to do is, $40 is being paid by the Amazon buyer. You keep your $15, pay $25 to your supplier. Now what your supplier is going to do, supplier is going to process the whole item, ship the item for you to the Amazon buyer, and the case gets closed. The product reaches to the customer and the cycle will go on. That means you are an Amazon seller. Amazon buyer will come to your store, places an order for whatever the amount you have listed in. You take out your margin, pay rest of the money to the supplier. Supplier is going to process the whole order, package and all that stuff, and will directly ship the order to your customer, that is the Amazon buyer, and he receives the order, and the cycle will go on and on and on, and every day you're going to receive number of orders, 20, 30, 40, 200, whatever number of orders, based on what kind of products you're selling and what kind of marketing you're doing. So this is essentially how dropshipping works. You don't need any inventory, you don't need any store, you don't need any warehouse. You will just have to list the items which will be supplied by your supplier. Your supplier will give you a list of say 100 items. These 100 items I have the stock with these 100 items. You please list them out, sell them out, tell me when to ship and where to ship. That's all dropshipping is all about. Okay, so this is how the process of dropshipping works. Now the next thing I want to cover is, there are certain risks of dropshipping, and this knowledge what you are getting today will eliminate every sort of risk. Now if you do dropshipping on your own, whatever methods you are doing, you're not following the principles, you will face situations like there is a stock out at supplier. For example, whatever supplier is there with you, if you don't coordinate with them, you might space out a situation, you take an order and your supplier does not have the product. There can be order cancellations by your supplier. Then what to do with the returns, because Amazon has a policy of return of the item. So what to do with that? There can be some chargebacks also in your Amazon account. There can be certain shipments which gets lost. Your supplier has dispatched it through FedEx, UPS, Blue Dart, DDTC, whatever. Shipment is lost. What to do with that? and your supplier might send some poor quality goods. What to do about that? So don't risk your business. So what we have covered so far: basics of dropshipping, what dropshipping is all about. Now I'm going to cover with you is the policy of dropshipping at Amazon. Now the chapter 2 of this particular part 1 is the policy of Amazon. Now you learned that what dropshipping is all about. That's the basic. Right now don't think too much about this business. What I can assure you, after you complete this series, you will love this business. This business is not asking you any penny. It says just get started, but follow the rules. If you breach the rules, you will lose everything. You will lose the momentum, you will lose the confidence, you will lose everything about doing a business. So what Amazon policy says about dropshipping? It simply says that if you want to become a dropshipper on Amazon, you should have an agreement with your supplier that they will identify you as a seller of the product on all packaging slips, invoice, external packaging and other information included or provided in connection with the products. Simple. What they want is supplier should not stamp his name, his logo, his label on the package what is going to deliver on your behalf. It should only carry your name as a seller, because Amazon, the Amazon buyer only knows you, because you are the Amazon seller, not your supplier is Amazon seller. No. Remove any kind of packaging slip, invoice, external packaging, identifying a third party dropshipper prior to shipping the order. Fine. That's important. Be responsible for accepting and processing returns and comply with all other items of your seller agreement and applicable Amazon policies. I'll just make it very, very simple for you. In case you buy any product from Amazon, you know how you get an Amazon box, you get it intact, you get it the Amazon invoice you get, and that's about it. You use the product, right? Now imagine a situation: you order something from Amazon and suddenly a courier guy comes to you from Blue Dart or FedEx, gives you your package, gives you the package in a Walmart logo, Walmart imaged box. Are you going to accept it? You're not going to accept it, right? So these are the situations which happen. So policy of dropshipping at Amazon is very clear that your supplier should ship all the shipments in plain white boxes with no logo, no labels, nothing. The only invoice, the only name which they can carry is yours. And it's so simple. It's simple. Why to choose Amazon as a selling partner for dropshipping is the part 3 of this video. Why do you choose Amazon? Simple, because Amazon has got the lion's share of traffic of the e-commerce industry. 80%, more than 80% of the traffic of e-commerce is being captured by Amazon. So you can't leave Amazon. You have to work with Amazon to get the success on e-commerce. And lastly, why to say no biggies? Why to say no to biggies like Walmart or Home Depot? As simply stated, they don't follow the Amazon policies. Walmart is not a supplier. Walmart is a B2B marketplace. Home Depot is a retail, it's a big wholesale store. What they do is, if you create your Walmart business account and you place an order using the name of your Amazon buyer, Walmart does not know it's an Amazon buyer. Walmart is going to pack the product in Walmart owns boxes. They will print the invoice and everything, and boom, they will ship the order. Your Amazon buyer will going to reject this order, going to make complaint to Amazon that if I'm buying from Amazon but you are delivering it through Walmart, and based on this your account will also get terminated or suspended. So I hope you like the part 1 of this video today. Today in this part 1 I just covered the basics of dropshipping, what dropshipping is, what the policy of Amazon says. I wanted to use Amazon as a marketplace, and I would want to warn you here that whatever course you have taken, whatever learning you have taken from any YouTube or any course creator about e-commerce, Walmart, Home Depot, or these named organizations, the big stores, cannot be your dropshipping suppliers. I want you to put your questions using the hashtag dropship on Amazon and your questions so that I can cover it in the next part 2 of this particular video series. In part 2, I'm going to talk about how to choose the right supplier, what kind of products you should be choosing in, how you can do your product research and everything, and then we'll conclude it in the part 3 about the best known suppliers, I can suggest you to collaborate and start your dropshipping business. So how do you like this series? Do you want me to continue this series? And whatever questions you have, please let me know. Any other thing you want me to cover on e-commerce, please let me know that as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye. We will meet in the part 2 of this particular dropshipping on Amazon series. Thank you.